So I got this new Dakota Lithium hybrid deep cycle and 1000 cold cranking amp starting battery with twice the power at only half the weight of competing Group 24 batteries, but you can see it's a little bit smaller and the posts are in a different position. So I decided this would be a great opportunity to get rid of this janky battery hold down and make something from scratch. So here's the final piece after some high build primer and a few coats of VHT. I got some adhesive back neoprene from Amazon and stuck it to the bottom, which made for a nice fit and holds the battery snug so it won't scratch during cornering. Finally, I snagged some fancy battery terminals from Amazon and mounted everything in the car, and it was time to test this baby out. Well, it's got strong and confident cranking power, just like it should. According to the FAQ on their site, Dakota Lithium batteries are, quote, 100% safe because their signature lithium ion phosphate chemistry does not contain rare earth elements like cobalt or heavy metals, and won't explode or catch fire. An internal BMS protects it from overheating, overcharging, and short-circuiting, and it comes with an 11-year warranty. It's a pricey upgrade, but I've read reviews from people who were able to crank a dry fuel system for 3 whole minutes before depleting the battery. And that's great for someone like me who doesn't drive the Datsun over the winter and doesn't have an electric fuel pump. Plus the weight savings and the cool factor are just great for a fun weekend car like this. Luxury item for sure, but I'm pretty stoked on how it all turned out. Peace!